Have you ever sent a photo you didn't want to stay in the chat forever? WhatsApp has a feature that lets you send a photo that disappears after it's viewed. Watch until the end. I will share a tip on how to know if your photo has been opened. So let's get started. So first open WhatsApp on your device and afterwards open the chat where you want to send the disappearing photo. And pretty much tap the camera icon in the bottom right corner. You can either just take a new photo or select one from your gallery by tapping the photo icon right here in the bottom left. After selecting the photo, confirm by tapping on this icon. And pretty much you will see editing tools at the top. These let you add the text or draw on the image. To make the photo disappear, just tap the icon with the number 1 and semicircle in the caption field just right here. So this enables the View Once feature. Finally, tap the Send button in the bottom right corner. You will see a disappearing photo icon next to the message confirming that the feature is active. Once the recipient opens the photo, it will automatically disappear. And a bonus tip, if you're curious whenever your photo has been viewed, just go back to the chat. If the icon changes to opened, that means it has been seen. So if this video was helpful for you, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. That really motivates me to make more helpful content. Thank you for watching until the end. See you in the next video. Bye.